Hello, my dear students. Today I will discuss about propositional logic. The topic is Boolean algebra, part 1. The next slide is about propositional logic. What is propositional logic? Propositional logic represents through propositions and logical connectives. What is proposition? In Boolean algebra, proposition is an elementary sentence that may either be true or false. Example, it is raining. It is a proposition as it may be either true or false. India is a continent. It is a proposition as it is false. How are you? It is not a proposition as it does not result in true or false. There are two types of proposition. Number 1, simple proposition. Number 2, compound proposition. The next slide is about simple proposition, compound proposition, and operator or connective. What is simple proposition? A simple proposition is a proposition that does not contain any other proposition. P, Q, R, M, N, etc. lowercase letters are used as symbols for simple propositions. Number 2, what is compound proposition? A compound proposition is a proposition which consists of two or more propositions. Example, if you work hard, then you will be succeed. It is raining and wind is blowing. What is operator or connective? An operator or connective is used to combine simple proposition to form a compound proposition and compound proposition to form a larger compound proposition. The next slide is about types of operators. There are 5 different types of operators or connectives. Number 1, disjunction operator. It is represented by symbols plus or operator. Disjunction means one of the two argument is true or both. Example, M plus N or M disjunction operator N means M or N. Either M is true or N is true, both in proposition. Number 2, conjunction operator. It is represented by symbols dot, ampersand and operator. Conjunction means both arguments are true. Example, M dot N, M conjunction operator N means M and N. Both M and N are true in proposition. The next slide is about conditional operator and biconditional operator. First, what is conditional operator? Conditional operator is also known as implication operator. It is represented by symbols implication. Implication means if one argument is true, then other argument is true. Example, M implies N. If M, then N. If M is true, then N is true in proposition. Number 4, biconditional operator. What is biconditional operator? Biconditional operator is also known as equivalence operator. It is represented by symbol equivalent to. Equivalence means either both arguments true or both are false. Example, m equivalent to n means if and only if m is true, then n is true. M and n are either both true or both false in proposition. The next slide is about negation operator. What is negation operator? It is represented by symbol approximate, dash or bar. Negation means that it is an operator that affects a single statement only and does not join two or more statements or proposition. M dash, M bar or approximate n means not m. M is false in proposition. Students, in this session I have discussed about propositional logic and types of operator. Hope all of you have understand this part of the chapter very well. That's all for now. Thank you.